Please,
and carbon
glitter dumpling.
black. And now
Please,
this contact should be closed if the system is
Rainbow
not pressurized. Should be open if
Please,
the system is
glitter
pressurized.
dumpling.
Currently, the
Glitter
system is
dumpling.
pressurized. So what I'm going to
Please.
do, I'm going to go open the valve up real quickly, and these contacts should close.
Look, guys. Look. It's so. What this is? He's so cute. He's so cute. She are so cute, guys. Kuya na. He's so cute. Saba, sunting. Nag-video pa mi. This is for the Shopee, and this is so. Katudong nido, di ko ginan atong nido kay gahi kayo. Kani hindot man ang nido kay nana no. Gahi kita ana ang tagana mo ana siya. Ha. I like nido and I like this. I like more this. It's so cute. I want this. What the? We're gonna trade, guys. We're gonna trade. Give me this topping. No. Hi, guys. This is our. Mona. Nana ko. Magkano ka ba? Let's trade. I want to trade. Okay, fine. We are gonna trade, guys. Ah, why? Trading. Going once, going twice. Let's go in twice. I wanna trade. Oh, I want to trade this. Going once, going I gonna trade. Oh, let me see that. Oh, but mine is glitter. Ah, okay. Here you go. Thank you. Welcome, guys. You want this? Comment, like, and subscribe, and comment, heart, and dumpling.